All right, good morning. It's 10 a.m. and I'm already up 250. I've taken two trades so far. When I say 250, $2.50. Remember, $3 is the goal for the day, but the volatility's in our favor. So today, I might try to grind it out and get 6, 7 points. As you know, my style isn't trade in the morning, be done, go enjoy the rest of your day. My style is to work immensely, sit in your desk the entire day, don't get up, continue working, even if the market's trading sideways. I'm not saying you need to be trading, but you need to be due diligence, and you need to study economic indicators, earnings reports, everything. I used to work construction, and I used to do stucco and drywall, and then you'd see my employees standing around, and I tell them that there's always something that needs to be done. There's in any line of work, it doesn't matter what you do, there's always something that needs to be done. And that's the people that move up in the world to higher positions. It's the people that go the extra mile no matter what it is. All right, so I had to cut them SPY calls short. Unfortunately, I did lose a little bit of money on that. It was a risk. I knew industrial production was leaning to the downside, like it has been the last couple reports. And, I got fooled. I thought the buying was going to continue, and I was wrong. And I cut my loss just in time before the market really swelled and went down more. All right, let's see. Alright, got short at 75. Trying to cover at 4. Bam! Got filled at 4. Okay. So that was 75 cents right there. So now we're up 325 on the day. I'd have to say with trading, this is kind of my point of view when I'm day trading. I try to picture myself being in a race car, and all these, this is the track right here, and you have to go around turns. Some turns you have to take tighter or looser than other turns, and you really have to feel the turns when you're driving fast and taking turns. I'm not sure if you've ever done it, but you have to be very precise in what you do and very tedious. And I just, with reading the tape action and everything, I've imprinted all of this in my brain due to the mass amounts of hours I've been watching it. And you notice certain things over time. You get better and better gradually, and you train your brain to notice these things, to notice the moving average moving down, to notice the trends down. Basically, my system is trends. These candlesticks are a code. This moving average is a code. It's color coded. All right, let's see. All right, so they bought it up a little bit off the 2. You see that the major level that I think that we're gunning for is 24.99 to 2500. Now, if that level elapsed, then we'd get down to 24.84 pretty quickly. But until that happens, we'll use 2500 as a temporary base. Now we see a little buying coming off the bottom. Alright, so I was just going to buy this at 6.5. I could have made 75 cents off of it. We showed a little bit of buying off the bottom, but the reason I didn't do that is because I'm just looking at the trend, and it seems like every time we get a little pop, we move back down. Also note that I'm not shorting this either, because we are moving up, and that's a sucker's bet to try to short a candlestick that's moving up. Never short on the way up, short on the way down. Quick update, e-commerce sales came in. They nudged up 0.4% to 3.7, and look at the chart here. Continuing to look good ever since the bottom last November. Now we're starting to move back up. Alright, Alright, I just bought at 8.25, just trying to get a scalp here. Trying to get a scalp to 9. Alright, I got filled at 9. That's another 75 cents. So I think I'm up 4 points today. I'm up 4.25 to be exact. I got filled at 9.25. Wow. Wow. Sold it at 10.75. Alright, so we're up $5.75 right now. $5.75. Alright, just to answer a question. Thanks everyone that commented on the videos. Yes, Ronnie, it was a very volatile day. That's why I enjoyed trading this time of year. Clarence, yes, I am still trading stocks, more in the swing account though. I've been focusing on critiquing my future strategy, which has been working well, profitable for me lately. And for December, when I was talking about it being a slow month, it's usually towards the end during the holidays. A lot of traders go on vacation, go out of town, and that's when it slows down. And no, it's not the end of November. We should continue. They'll probably start window dressing, coming the 1st of November, seeing what they want to hold. Now, this is a little different than it's been the last 8 years because we have this massive fiscal cliff coming. So I'm not going to go out on a limb and say just because the seasonality is that we trend up going into December, retail sales are usually stronger and everything. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to say let's just look at the market and we'll determine it from there on. All right, yeah, I trade off a 1 minute chart as well, and you said that you lost a little bit of money. You're not the first one that's emailed me that in the past 2 weeks, so I'd recommend until you get your confidence back and critique your strategy, start trading paper money. Maybe that will help you. But I do trade off a 1 minute chart. I also have a 5 minute chart pulled up on my other monitor. I'll take a picture of that and show you. All right, here's just a quick picture of my setup. Up here, I have my NASDAQ chart. It's a 1 minute, and it's basically just everything I use for my system. I get a lot of my trade entries and exits off that. Over here, I'll use this for my research. It's usually on 5 minute, but a lot of times it will be a daily. Up here, we have Dow, Russell, ES, and then we have the NASDAQ. And right here is just my trading platform. Right here is the car, that my next car I'm going to buy. Right here is all of my goals. And right here is the economic cycles. Short from 13. Not trying to make a lot off this. Okay, I made 75 cents off of it. Alright, now we're up 6.75 on the day. Alright, I had an order out there at 12.25. They didn't hit me on it. We could be about to pop right here up to 16.5 to 17. See the downtrend? We held this low right here. This right here is the 5 minute low. This right here is the prior 5 minute high. If we get past that, we could get some upside. Alright, they got it. It hit that 16.5. I missed it. Whenever I zoom in, it freezes my screen because the tool that I use. Alright, I bought at $14.75. Trying to sell $15.75. Took a point off that. Now we're up 8 points. In my personal opinion, I feel that you should have a monthly goal profit-wise. Yes, having a daily goal is good. Like mine's 3 points. And I know what I can make off that. The more money I make, the more contracts I could trade. And it follows suit like that. But I don't think it's outlandish to say your goal should be $20,000 a month. I think that's reasonable. I think that should be everyone's goal. And then once you get there, now you just take the money that you're making, you put it back into your account, and trade more contracts. And now you can make 40, 60 grand a month. And then you can start taking those trades and options those speculative trades. You could do some straddle strategies going into earnings and stuff like that. But a lot of people that are close to you, if you're not making even 1,000, 2,000 a month now, they'll try to hurt you with your words and say it's not possible. They'll say, just like Henry Ford, he was messing with the contraption. Everyone criticized him, his family, his close friends, everybody. Thomas Edison, everybody. Don't listen to that negativity. 1375, okay. All right, so we have ran up a lot. I don't know if it's going to get a little more downside here. I might take a short. Yeah, that was some decent buying, so I'm not going to short this move right here. This bar went up 3 points in 1 minute. Yeah, so this morning I actually transferred majority of my funds out of my Ameritrade account, and I put them into the bank account. I'm getting ready to switch brokers. I've been talking to a few of them. I'll let you know when I go to the company and what it is and do a little feedback. Alright, just longed it at 12.50. I just took 50 cents. I sold it at 13. It's been a good day trading. Here's the PL for the day. I'm going to end the video now. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Remember, get your routine, get up early every day. That's how I did it. I'm just trying to share you my thoughts. And just keep studying. There's a big week of economic indicators coming. Get prepared. Write them all down. What I do is I print out all the big earnings reports. I circle the ones that I'm going to trade. I print out all the economic indicators. And I do early revisions on them. And I try to determine where the trend's going to be, so I have some insight when the number comes out. Alright traders, talk to you later. Bye.